So friends, I just finished filling the bird feeder and the birds and them, it's lunchtime here for them. So they come to enjoy their lunch. And I want to show you guys, we get a lot of different birds, you know. So I'm gonna show you guys in the next few minutes the amount of birds coming to eat. So the feed normally lasts us like 4 days. Babe, I'm making a video. I hope they don't fight. Oh, I hope they wasn't going to fight, but they're fighting each other. Uh, I know. That's, you see why they was yelling at me? Because they're hungry. So guys, I want to show you guys the cardinal. We do have a lot of cardinal, a lot of dove, you know, a lot of different birds. They come by and they come by to have a snack, you know, and they will have a snack if you don't bug them. That's why I'm upstairs taping and not downstairs. I want to show you guys. They're pretty good, you know. It's a lot of them. Once you feed them, they will come, they would eat, they will not bug you. And even if it have humans around, they do not mind. As long as they get food, they're very happy with it. That on the ground there, it's a brown dove. Babe, what is the name of the bird that's sitting in the feeder? He and the cardinal about to fight. Oh my God. He and the cardinal having real problems. I thought they were supposed to love each other. Well, the dove went up there.
Oh, wow. The whole pan tells when the dove sits on it.
Yeah. So how come he eating okay with the dove, but the cardinal he having problems with?
Oh, good question. Maybe the card said something to him. Get him upset.
Okay, the cardinal, the cardinal almost bump into the dove. The cardinal say, please come off of there, please come off of there, let me eat. So friends, if you guys know, should I get a next bird feeder or?
No.
My husband say no. But the cardinals and the other birds having problems. They're not getting along.
They need to learn how to get along.
They need to learn how to get along, my husband say. So guys, that's a typical day by us. The people walking by and they leave, the birds leave. They didn't leave and went farther. They on the tree. They'll be back soon. They're playing. They're flying around and playing. Let me show you guys. They're just sitting on the tree and on the ground. So as you guys see, we have a busy street. So when the cars go by, the birds leave. But then the back, if you look closely on the ground, it have about 6 of them on the ground. And here he go, within minutes he's back, just enjoying what we bought for them. And there we have some more of them. They're on the ground. If you watch on the ground, close to where the plant is, on the blue. I know, guys, I have to learn the name of these birds. Yes, guys, so even though that did not in the bird feeder, they are wrong where the plants is, because I put food for them. So I'll see you guys soon.